Hey guys, this video is about how to change the hard drive on a DELL Latitude D620. This is the ATG version. It's essentially the same as the standard version, however. So as far as getting to the hard drive, it's pretty straightforward on this one. You'll see it's located down here. And actually on this one it says strike zone. So you've removed these two screws. Once those are out, set the screws aside. Make sure you remove the battery on this first prior to working on it, just to be safe. So go ahead and click, there's a little area here. See if the camera will focus. Go ahead and slide that out. And there is your hard drive. You'll notice on this one, it's actually a solid state drive I've installed, but the only thing holding this hard drive in, or solid state drive, is one screw right here. All you do is unscrew that, it's out. And that's all there is to it, really. If you're upgrading to a solid state drive or just swapping out to a regular hard drive, that's how you would do it. Put the battery back in. And let's go ahead and turn this thing on, see if it works. And there you go. That's how you upgrade the hard drive or swap the hard drive on your DELL Latitude D620, D630.